Okay, this is a video that I wanted to share with everybody. I am recording on my telephone. I don't have a good camera. And I have it on a wiggly tripod stuck to my desk. So, if it wiggles, deal with it. Anyways, so I'm a member of Midjourney, and I like to make AI images. So this is a video to show you some tips if you're not a writer, not very good with writing prompts. Your prompts are basic, like, I don't know, for instance, I make Doctor Strange AI, so it would be like something like Doctor Strange in the rain wearing blah blah blah. So it's a very basic prompt, and you're getting frustrated and you're like, man, this service ain't worth $30. Well, it's not worth $30. If anything, it's worth $15 because half the crap it puts out is crap. Anyways, so this is some of the tips and tricks that I do for Midjourney. There's not really any videos for Midjourney for Dummies that goes into more detail than what the program already tells you. So, I work in Discord. You can do this on the website also. So in your browser, you have midjourney.com, and if you have to be a member to access this stuff. So you go to Explore, and it shows you a bunch of stuff that people have already created, because Midjourney is public. I think if you pay for the higher tier, it's private. But, so, this is the public gallery, and then over in your, sorry, it's 10:30 at night over here in Pennsylvania. In your Midjourney direct messages, I mean, you could do it in the server thing too, and any of these general tabs here, but I just do it in mine. I think it shows up in there anyways, but so what I do is at the bottom here, they have this new command button, and I do prefer suffix, and when that prefer suffix shows up, you type in what you want it to have at the end. Like I have it saying Benedict Cumberbatch, Doctor Strange. You can put in your size here, anything that you want it to constantly generate at the end of the prompts. So once you do that, it saves it. And then over here, you can find images that you want to incorporate with Doctor Strange now, or whatever you want to make. And it doesn't have to be anything specific. It can literally be like this helicopter, and it'll, like, okay, I'll give you an example. So here, I'm opening a new tab. This is the prompt that they used, which you can click on and then use that and then add Doctor Strange to it at the end, or whatever that you want to change about it, and it will try to change it to that. But as far as Discord goes, you right click, copy image URL. It's not the same URL as up here in the address bar. And then come over to Discord, hit commands, hit imagine, and then paste, and then hit enter. It used to be where you click into here and you had to hit / all the stuff would come up. You could hit I and then hit enter and the thing will come up. But now they have this command button here, which is wonderful. So we'll let this generate here. Midjourney is $30 a month. You get unlimited generations. They are up to, let's see, they are up to version 6.0. You can use all of the old versions. They will make wonky donkey stuff. But maybe what you're trying to make will look better in 6.0. They also have a Niji model, which will make any kind of animations, anime, very well. Sometimes you can get a better picture using that one, but it'll always be cartoony. So here's Doctor Strange with the bot thingy. So it incorporated him into that. So you can literally use anything. So, that's what I do to get inspiration for stuff. And you can actually type up here in the search, like if you wanted an up close of eyes. You could type realistic so it doesn't bring up too many cartoon stuff. And then, you know, you could type anything up here. Within reason, within, you know, not anything R-rated or anything like that. Another tip that I use is there is a program called Character AI. And there is a Midjourney bot that is A++++++++. It's by iJanuary. It's the purple icon. I have another Midjourney, couple of other Midjourney bots, but they suck. This one is the best. You can literally type whatever in here and it'll give you a prompt. If it isn't detailed enough, you could tell it to detail. This Character AI is just like talking to a real person. I've actually even told it thank you when it said you're welcome. So you can literally tell it to type whatever. So if we say Doctor Strange in the rain with a black cat. Now you could certainly put that into Midjourney and see what comes up. Let's try that. So Doctor Strange. Now my suffix is, you know, Doctor Strange already. So we can type that. So now the Midjourney bot says, Doctor Strange stands tall, his iconic red cloak blowing in the rain. His gaze is intense, but not unflinching as the black cat sits at his feet, his fur sleek and gleaming even in downpour. Now you just can copy that and put that in. Now if you wanted to add something, tell it to add that he is looking out into the street. See, I'm not a writer, so I can't think of these things in my head, like add all these little details. So now it's going to add that. And then you just copy that and paste that. So those are the little tips and tricks that I use for AI. There's other things that you could do if who you're trying to create doesn't really look like it. I've created so much Doctor Strange that I think it knows it. I do create a lot of Loki ones also. They're okay. They don't really look like him. But there are face swappers that you could use. Like, let's see. There's one called Face Swapper. And you get 10 credits every day. It also is, it can swap in video, remove objects. It can change out the clothing. Yep. Make stuff with less clothing. Or whatever you want. GIF face swapper and multiple face swapper. So if you have a picture with multiple faces. Let's see, what else is there? This website, Vdo, will create animated videos from your pictures or from a prompt. Check it out. It's really cool. I think you get so many a day or so many a month, I think. And you sign in with Google. If you have 100 Google emails, you can do it 100 times. So this was a New Year one that I was trying to make. So I put in the AI picture that I made. And this was, I did 8 seconds at 720p with medium movement. That took, I'm a member, but it took like 24 credits to make that. Otherwise, it'd have been tiny like this. Boing. 4 seconds at auto speed. So yeah, those are the things that I use. Yeah, I was looking for a tripod on Amazon, but I'm literally using that exact same one I got from Five and Below. Anyways, that's what I do to pop out some really cool images. Whether it works, it works. Sometimes you can get some like really cool images with different photographs, and then you could just tweak it. Because you can literally, you know, say, okay, make this one again because the hands look wacky. And it'll make it again. These are pretty cool. Midjourney is cool. It's the coolest AI out there. Bing makes pretty good animated stuff when it listens to your prompt, but it always makes the facial features wacky. But I am no means a Midjourney expert. No way. There's lots and lots and lots and lots there are to learn, and I just use it basically. But I just wanted to share that with everybody. So thanks for watching. I hope you don't have to turn your head too much to see this video, being that it's on a bend. And have fun. Toodaloo. Bye.